Today, people consume news primarily through online platforms, which rely on recommendation algorithms to surface articles users are most likely to click on from a vast pool of content. By continuously learning from past behavior, they create personalized feeds that gradually narrow the perspectives users are exposed to, trapping them in political echo chambers that reinforce existing beliefs and deepen societal polarization. What users need is transparency into their own reading patterns, tools to recognize bias in individual articles, and an easy way to voluntarily explore alternative perspectives. We present Prism, an interactive web-based news recommendation system designed to mitigate political echo chambers. Prism operates at 3 levels: the feed level, where users monitor the political distribution of their reading history and current recommendations; the article level, where users inspect predicted political stance, bias explanations, and highlighted keywords; and the event level, where users explore alternative articles covering the same event from across the political spectrum. To see Prism in action, consider user A, a right-leaning reader who has primarily consumed right-leaning content and remained largely unaware of her own bias. On the right sidebar, 2 dashboards summarize the political distribution of her reading history and her current recommendation feed. Both graphs are predominantly red, prompting A to suspect that her content consumption has been heavily right-leaning. The center feed provides personalized recommendations, each annotated with a color-coded political stance label, so users can see an article's predicted leaning before opening it. A clicks on a right-leaning article that resonates with her. Bias-indicative keywords are highlighted in line in the color of the predicted stance. A bar chart shows the predicted probability, here 99.82% right-leaning. Clicking "Why this bias?" surfaces a natural language explanation. This article focuses on the failures of a Democratic president's signature policy, a framing commonly used by conservative media. Users can also click any highlighted keyword for an inline explanation. When A clicks "lockdowns," she learns that this term attributes the crisis to government restrictions, revealing how word choice itself carries political framing. Curious about how the same event is covered elsewhere, A turns to the event level feature. The sidebar presents bias-balanced recommendations for the same event, with up to 2 articles per political stance. A clicks a left-leaning article, which opens in a split view alongside the original, allowing her to read and compare opposing perspectives side by side, with keyword highlighting available in both panels. Clicking "surging" in the left-leaning article, she sees that this word frames the pandemic as a virus-driven crisis, a direct contrast to the government restriction framing she just read. Through this process, Prism empowers users to recognize bias in their reading patterns, understand the ideological framing within individual articles, and explore cross-perspective coverage, making bias visible and balanced news consumption effortless.